Amahe gihanga Uganda agarongorwa omuringo guhereza emidaari na certificates n'amahe ga Uganda People's Defense Force agibinji bakweta UPDF aga garinga gakora hansi ya United Nations Guard Unit omwihanga lya Somalia.
Send my gratitude for the invaluable contribution of Angu 8 over their 12-month campaign in Mogadishu. Thank you for your sacrifice, your professionalism, and again, not maybe, but for your hard work.
His Excellency Anita Kiki Gebho Orkora nka Deputy Special Representative of African Secretary General DSRSG niwe yakoreramo omukuru gona omuri Mogadishu, Somalia.
You have completed an important task, and your contribution in this very challenging security environment to keep us as UN staff safe is recognized and it's appreciated.
Ogenja kushobora abachi ekibina cha UN chenja kukora ebi nebindi.
Without you, we could not do our work and live safely here in the mission headquarters. We sincerely thank you. I would like to also recognize Uganda's contribution to Somalia's security. I extend my sincere thanks to your country for providing highly skilled, uniformed personnel to serve under the UN.
Brigadier General Peter Gaitano Omara weyanja kusema iheria UPDF abumurimo omurungi gwarin bakora omur Somalia.
In this long time in the mission that started way back, I'm told, on the 15th of December 2021. We so much value and treasure the role you played towards contributing to the peace and security of Somalia.
Thank you, ma'am, all the directors, the chiefs, the mentors, for the mentorship and the cooperation.
Aba TV West, Disenyomo Gideon.